Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Menteri Ketenaga Kerjaan Jong Kejala Kekong Amperin Lingdo kalau orang bagi Sorkar kadang perkhat mentah kumnu banle halur ke jingshik Kyrang Palat ke Sngi kalau itu bagi Sorkar kalau ada Bthah yagi DC baginya Syllok bagi cakap pulih berper kadang bat pinti kena bahkan kita yagi kena Skul.
Right now we are worried about the heat wave. We are trying now to focus on what should government do to address this heat wave that is suddenly enveloping several parts of our state. We have sent advisories to DCs to send to schools and institutions to ensure that children do not expose themselves unduly to sunshine and outdoor activities. So far, things are under control. We've not got any report that is alarming in any kind. So, we would like to make sure that the state of Meghalaya has the heat wave effects under control. So, I think so far we have done well by advising schools in certain parts of the state to shut down for the next 2-3 days to take the precautionary measures. Notifications issued by various DCs. You just follow up on those. I think you would have yesterday. I think most of our WhatsApp platforms received them. So we are just giving advisories. Hydrate yourself. Do not stay in the sun. So those are the basic kinds of informations. But since there has been no report of any serious effects due to the heat wave, we've not really zeroed down on anything specific. I am not going to be dealing at length about global warming, but yes, several line departments in the government of Meghalaya have been asked to immediately conduct awareness programs, workshops, interfacing with students at various levels, discussing the effects of global warming, and also actually presenting before the public certain important good practices. For example, we are also looking at a high probability of propagating carbon-free farming practices, carbon-free industrial practices. We are trying to ensure that our forest cover is adequately attended to. In fact, Meghalaya is doing very well on all of these fronts. We are not lagging far behind as per the national average. And these kinds of programs and these kinds of awareness campaigns will enable a small state like Meghalaya also participate actively in the entire global approach to dealing with the reality of global warming. In the G20 program that was recently held also, there has been substantial discussions held on this aspect. How can we as a nation and as a state indulge in good practices that will address global warming in the long run?